Want to turn a boring Excel sheet into a live, interactive, color-coded map? You can do it in seconds. No coding, no fuss. With MAPOG, just upload your data and watch it come alive instantly. Here's the trick: color-coded mapping. It's simple, it's powerful, and it turns data into visuals you can read at a glance. Colors tell the story. Green, done and completed. Orange, work in progress and ongoing. Red, faulty and needs attention. Why bother? Because it's fast, transparent, and keeps everyone on track. Planners spot delays, citizens see progress, and everyone knows what's happening instantly. Making your map is easy. Go to story.mapog.com and create a metro station map. Go to Style Layer, select Category. Select the attribute as Status. Customize icons and its size so each metro station displays its visually appealing. And assign clear colors. Completed equals green, faulty equals red, and ongoing is orange. Click Save, and boom, your color-coded map is live. Now you can spot problems, track progress, and stay in control, all in real time. From metros to schools, utilities, or healthcare, it works everywhere. With MAPOG, data stops being boring and starts telling a story. Quick, clear, colorful. Watch your data come alive. Need help? Email support@mapog.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GIS tutorials.